Welcome to day 5 of our 30-day Write Your Own Headlines challenge. Today we're going to talk about something that Felicia Hatcher made me aware of after Ryan Hoover made me aware of part of this. So we've heard about your zone of genius. Felicia helped me understand the 4 zones that we're usually living in. The first zone is zone of incompetence, which is tasks that you're not good at and should avoid. The second zone is zone of competence, things you can do adequately but lack excitement or significant reward. Zone of excellence, tasks that you're highly skilled and often rewarded for, but you lack deep fulfillment from it. And then there's zone of genius, the sweet spot, where you're not only skilled, but also constantly learning and deeply fulfilled. This structure offers a clear framework for self-assessment, and it's going to help us identify areas where we can focus our energy for maximum satisfaction and success. What I'd love for you to do is take out the journal that you have and create a circle or a square and put it into 4 quadrants. So one line down, one line across. Then you're going to put in those four zones. Zone of incompetence. So you can write incompetence, competence, excellence, and genius. Top over, bottom over. Then I want you to reflect on your own life and what you think fits into each of these quadrants. Write 1 or 2 things down that feel like something that you're not good at, right? Write something that is an incompetence. Write something down in the competence that you can do adequately, but you lack excitement about it. And then the zone of excellence is something you can do really well and you get rewarded for it, but it doesn't have a deep fulfillment for you. It's just something you could do in your sleep if you had to. And then zone of genius is where are you not only skilled, but you're constantly learning and deeply fulfilled from it. If you can live in the zone of genius, as Felicia tells us, you will have a more fulfilling and rewarding life. And what most people do, especially those of us who are, you know, ambitious, what we mostly do is we stay in that high zone of excellence because it sounds good and it's probably making money for you and for us, but we're finding ourselves constantly not as fulfilled as we'd like. So the idea is not to stop everything, but the idea is to find ways and reasons that you can go into your zone of genius more often and more often. So you write that down, keep that in your journal because we're going to use that when we meet live on the Zoom call. And you can find that Zoom link in the description below. Make sure you are signed up. Our next one is happening very, very soon. So sign up today. And then you're going to make sure that you send this to somebody who you want to participate in this. And I've just really loved your comments so far. It's been really rewarding. I feel like, let me think about what my zone of genius is. I guess my zone of genius is in bringing people together on a common cause, helping to bridge the gap of communication and understanding about complex issues into things that we can relate to. And I really get fulfilled by that. That's why YouTube is so exciting to me because it's like this global classroom, and I really enjoy that. And then there are things that I'm really good at, but it doesn't bring me as much joy. So what are some things? Put them in the comments if you want to share anything with the rest of us, and I'll see you on day 6.